Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add PayPal on your Temu app in 2024. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, go to your Temu app, select the items that you want to buy. I have already selected mine here, so I'm just gonna tap on the cart icon at the bottom. Then here, just tap on Checkout. Then under Payment Methods, just tap on PayPal. Then tap on Submit Order. Then you will be asked to enter your PayPal details to connect it to your Temu account. Once you finish filling in your PayPal information, you successfully connect your PayPal to Temu, and now you can select it as your mode of payment when you purchase something on Temu. And that's pretty much it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you on our next video.